Hello viewers, I hope you are alright. Today's video I show you how to solve these kinds of problem. In this video I show you cannot connect right now, open network setting, try again in Sony Bravia and other smart TV. So how to solve this problem? First of all, you have to be in your remote, you select open network setting. First of all, click open network setting, then in a Wi-Fi, you off the Wi-Fi, then click on here again on the Wi-Fi. Okay, so at first it show your Wi-Fi network. This is my Wi-Fi network. Click on this your Wi-Fi network, then click on here, then back again in a mouse button, you back again. After that it shows connect. So after that I hope this is the way. Now you try again, click on try again. I hope it solve your problem. And then YouTube is run now at this moment. I hope it will solve all kinds of problem in your smartphone TV. It's regular problem. All smart users is face this kinds of problem. You see, all my network is working, my smart TV is open, my YouTube is open. Thank you very much. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, also press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Bye bye.